Here we have a 2013 registered Vauxhall Cascada Turbo Elite with a 1.4-litre manual transmission petrol engine. The car is finished in Summit White. Key features include climate-controlled dual zone, perforated solar heat reflective leather seats, 18-inch alloys, DAB digital radio, electric windows and mirrors, remote-controlled triple-layered acoustic roof, Bluetooth phone connectivity, heated front seats, rain-sensitive wipers, cruise control, rear park assist, sport seats and suspension, multifunction leather steering wheel, leather gear knob, auxiliary audio input, USB connectivity, multifunction trip computer and daytime running lights. This Vauxhall Cascada has been through our full and extensive service and preparation process to ensure it's in perfect condition. Reserve this car online today for 48 hours for an no obligation, fully refundable £100.